Hey, Mark Rice here. In the last part, I showed you how to create the basic environment and hero movement. It's time for enemies. Okay, if you want to try the game or use my template, check out the links in the video description. So let's start. First I will add an obstacle. I will go to the folder with the elements, enemies, green monster, and drag and drop the first frame. The green enemy will be our obstacle. Before we start with conditions, I will set up an animation. Double click on it and import the frames. Select and import every frame except the first one. Edit the collision polygon. Apply the whole animation, check out the loop and increase the animation speed to 15. Cool, that's it. Okay, as you can see, nothing happens. So I will create an event for interaction between the hero and green enemy. In next part of the tutorial, I will show you how to take a life or point from the hero at the moment when he touched the enemy. Okay, but for now he needs to stop in interaction with the green enemy and create a flash animation. You will see. I will add a solid behavior to the enemy, and the software will know that it's obstacle. So go to behaviors and add the solid. Cool! Before we test it, I will select the hero and ground. Click with the right mouse button, go to Z order and select send to top of layer. Okay, that's what I need. Now I will create an animation. Select the hero, go to behaviors and find flash icon. Cool! It's time for a new event. Go to the hero and select on collision with another object. It means when the hero touches another object. Double click and select the green monster. I will rename it. Cool. Now I will add that action. Hero flash. You can change the duration to 0.5 seconds. So, if the hero touches the green monster, the hero will blink for a half a second. Let's try this. Okay, now I will copy the obstacle with Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V commands. I'm done with the obstacle for now, and it's time for the walking enemy. I will change the enemy size a bit. Double click on it and import the animation frames. Edit the collision polygon. Check out the loop and speed settings. Before we test it, I will change the name of animation. Great! The walking enemy should have platformer characteristics. So I will go into behavior and add platformer icon. I will add the flash icon. I will need it later. One more thing before I continue. When I move the hero, the walking enemy moves as well. Just select the enemy and unselect default controls. Okay, now I'll create an event for interaction between the hero and walking enemy. I will do the same as I did with the green monster. So I will copy this event and change the green enemy with the walking enemy. I will rename it. Okay, now I want to create an event when the hero jumps on the white enemy. At that moment, the hero will destroy the enemy and create an animation, something like smoke. and I need particles for it. So click with the right mouse button and select Insert New Object. Then select Particles. Type the name and click Insert. Here you can add an image, but I will create a simple circle with the brush tool. It's white, so you can see the circle right now. Now you can see it. This is the settings of the particle animation. I will show you the default settings. It's cool, but I want to achieve an explosion effect. So change the 60 to 360. It means the whole circle. Select one shot. I don't want loop here. Pff, cool. You can play with the numbers here, but this is the perfect combination of the smoke animation. Wow! Move it from the screen and create new event for the animation. Select this condition and press S keyboard button to create precondition. Go to the hero and choose his falling. This is the precondition for the condition above. So the construct knows it's about the hero and white enemy. Now I will add action. White monster, flash, and set up the duration of blinking. Done. Hero, stop to flash. The hero doesn't lose points here, so I don't need the flash animation for him. Now I will add a smoke animation. Go to white monster, swap another object, select the smoke animation. Here select the layer. I have just one for now. I want to add another action. Destroy the enemy. Go to System and select Weight. 0.5. I want to destroy the enemy, but before that the software needs to wait a half a second, because I need a time for smoke animation. Now I will destroy the monster. Go to the white monster and select Destroy. Oh, that's it! I need to create one more thing, the enemy movement. First I will create the value of the monster movement. I will explain how and why. Select the enemy and go into Instantia variables. Add new. Type the name. Select number and type 1. Now I will explain why I created the value for the movement. Go to event and add new. Go into the white monster and select is on screen. Select the event and hit S. Go to white monster, select compare Instantia variables. Select the move and add value 1. Add action, white monster, simulate control, select right and done. Okay, it means when the monster is on the screen and has value 1, he moves to the right. Now select the condition and press S again. White monster is by wall, select right and done. I will add action. White monster, set value -1. Okay, so when the white monster is on the screen and has value 1, he moves to the right. When he hits the right wall, the value will be -1. It means the monster will change the direction of the movement. I will copy this condition and use it for the opposite direction of the movement. Type here -1. Change right to left. Here to left. And type 1. Done. Okay, when the white monster is on the screen and has value 1, he moves to the right. When he hits the right wall, the value will be -1. If the white monster has -1, he will move left instead of right, and when he hits the left wall, the value will be 1. In this way, we create the loop of the enemy movement. Okay, I will test it right now. Cool! Here I will change the speed of the movement. Go, go, go. Pff, cool! One more thing, I need to rotate the body of the monster as well. I will close this and create new conditions. Add the vent, white monster, compare instantia variables, type here 1. Now add action. White monster, set mirrored. I will copy the vent. Change here from 1 to -1. Here from mirrored to not mirrored. And that's it. Let's test it. Okay, now I can destroy it. Voila! Ho-ho! In the next part of the tutorial, I will show you how to add and lose points and lives. It will be fun, so stay tuned, because the best is yet to come. Peace!